Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium. I finally got the box today for this month of September. Thank God I got it before the end of the month. But I'm still waiting for looks, which is supposed to arrive sometime this week. I don't know. There's been a lot of delays on packaging because of the weather or COVID-19. I don't know exactly what. I just got my package. It usually gets here like really quick, but this time it took some time, which is fine. I don't care, as long as I get my package is fine. But so without any more delays, let's start unboxing. Okay, so the first item we are taking out of the box is the postcard, and this time the concept is Levi's only. I really like this. So we are gonna start with the first item here on the list. We're gonna go from the top to the bottom, and we're going to talk a little bit about the product. We're gonna test the products to see how they perform. Okay, so the first item we are going to be talking about is the Eloise Beauty. I didn't want to leave these for the last because I think it's so pretty, so beautiful. And when you touch this, it feels like it has like a 3D feeling, which is really nice. So this one retail price is $46, and the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. And it has a message, the last message: a queen lies in all of us. So this is such a cute palette, and I can see why the concept is like that. So this is the color. This is the whole palette color. It looks so pretty. There's a lot of colors here that look so nice, like for example these blue, looks so pretty. And then we have this golden. We have this purple, which is called Throne. This yellow one is called Rani. And then we have Sovereign, and we have these, which is called Your Highness. So pretty colors. Okay, so we're gonna try them like here. Okay, you guys, look at this. Just look at this. It's so freaking pretty. Excuse my vocabulary. So we're gonna try this, and we're gonna create a look with this palette, but let's continue and see what else we have. So the next item that we got is this by this brand. It's called Phat Glow Facial. Get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the non-downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients in Eyeshow. First one step at home facial. Oh, it's a facial. And it's instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Spa. Interesting. I like this brand. I got a primer last time on the Boxycharm, which was really good. So the retail price for this is $50. We are going to try. Actually, I'm gonna try it separately. I'm going to do like a skincare videos. But first I need to try it a few times so I can know what exactly it does, and in case I actually get like a rash or something, because my skin is so picky with some products. So we gotta try this. Okay, so this is the Enamored Brilliance facial oil. Just focus on this one. And the retail price for this one is $55. It's an overnight treatment, increases moisturized levels, increase elasticity, balances skin, and is an antioxidant protection. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the ice roller, which is this one. Focus, camera, focus. if you guys can see this. This is the ice roller I got. So the retail price for this item is $18. It's made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. That is really interesting. I really like this. So okay, so the next item I had is this Marc Jacob Beauty Enamored High Shine Lacquer. The retail price for this one is $29. And let's open this baby to see what it looks like, what color I got. Okay, so this is very pretty. This is the color I got. So we're gonna be using this one today with our eyeshadow palette. This is the color. Oh, so pretty. You guys see that? Very pretty. The last item we got is the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub, which is this back here. And that is how it looks. And the retail price for this one is $18.95. So Vacation Glow Skin, right this way, babe. I am a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowing skin all year round with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I will work my magic on stretch marks, wow, scars and dry skin to leave you as free as the palm trees. Exfoliate smooth and tones for real and imaginary vacations made with roasted coffee grinds, grape seeds oil, and jojoba beads. Wow, sounds so amazing. Can't wait to try these. It's so nice, and it's actually a big bag. So I will have to try it and see what it does to the whole body once I have a chance to try it on. But yes guys, so basically that's what I got in this Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. Total value was for $216.95, which is not bad for the price. I got it for $35. I think I got really nice products that I'm really excited to try. So and this will be the variation number 3 what I got. And I'm very excited what I got. The items, I really love everything that I have today. I thought I was gonna get nothing of what I really wanted. So let's try now the palette, and we're gonna create a night look using the eyeshadows on this palette because I am dying to test this palette. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. What do you guys think? The colors are so beautiful. I love the consistency. I also like the fact that there was not a lot of fallout. Also doesn't feel chalky, and there was no patchy path while I was blending, which is really good. I really like this palette. I think it's way better than those palettes that are like high-end brands. I will definitely use this palette again because it has a lot of different colors that I can use for like looks on fall, and I also like it, so I'm in love with that palette. Also, I'm gonna try these two together. I'm gonna make a video together, but I'm going to try it for the rest of the week and see how they perform. I'm really very excited about everything that I got. I also love this one. It's one of the colors that I will love to use. Like, I have a couple of colors that are very similar that I like, especially when it comes to going out and I don't want to be too extravagant. If I do makeup with the strong or colorful eyeshadows, I like to have something more like natural, more pinkish, like pink or something like that, to make my lips look more natural. Other than that, I don't have any complaint about everything. I think this box was really nice. I really like everything I got, and I just can't wait to try these also. I am looking forward to see how it performs on the rest of my body, because I love coconut, and then it's coffee. I'm a coffee addict, but I like everything that is related with coffee, not just drinking coffee, which is really good. I am looking forward to this one. I'm excited for these two. I'm gonna combine them, and hopefully I don't have a bad reaction, even though based on what used ingredients, they kind of have similar ingredients, so I don't think it's going to damage my skin. So I'm very like hopeful that it will do a really good work. Other than that, you guys, I really like this palette. I think Premium for this month for me was really good. I'm satisfied. I'm very excited about trying the rest of the products, and I hope you guys are having a good time with your own boxes too. And well, guys, if you guys want to subscribe, you know, there's it's only $25 for this base, $35 for the Premium, and $49 for the looks if you want to try all three of them. But that's it, you guys. I hope you like it. This is the look for today, and sorry about my hair, it's a mess, but what can I do? I don't know how to brush my hair. So anyways, guys, see you in the next video. Take care.